India continues under a lockdown. Today is day 54 of the lockdown, and if all had gone well, today the lockdown was supposed to have been lifted. I'm standing on the road which links between Delhi and Noida, and you can see still the traffic is very sparse on the road. Most people, it seems, have followed the lockdown rules. But the virus has not followed the lockdown rules. When India started off with the lockdown, there were 500 corona positive cases. Today there are over 90,000 corona positive cases in India. It's interesting. It is said China is where the virus originated, the COVID-19 virus originated. The number of corona positive cases in China is hovering around the 80,000, whereas India it has crossed 90,000. Somewhere the strategy of trying to contain corona in India has not worked. It's also very interesting that a month into the lockdown, the member of the Niti Aayog, the health member, Dr. Vinod Paul, had given and shown a graph which showed that by May 17th, the number of corona positive cases in India would come to zero. A zero is far from it. Today we are standing at close to less than 1 lakh of cases in India. And there is already talk of a phase 4 of the lockdown. There is a lot of fatigue in the minds of Indians taking vis-a-vis the lockdown. And this is only the beginning. If the virus is as virulent, then it will come back in phases. Will India be able to take more lockdowns as time passes, which is weeks and months? Hard to assess. But today somewhere the shift has happened. The shift has happened from a health crisis, it has become a wealth crisis. There is so much pandemic capitalism which is being unleashed on India by the Ministry of Finance. If this is how it will be, can India control the coronavirus pandemic? Today, the humans are arrested, the virus is free. And in trying to unlock the economy, more and more privatization is being attempted by the government. Is this a prescription for cure, or is this a prescription for disaster? Was the cure more expensive than the disease? I think once the post-mortem is done, after the pandemic is over, we may get some answers. On the road which connects Delhi to Noida, on day 54 of the lockdown, May 17th, 2020, this is Pallav Bagla.